Oh. Oh my God, what is that?
Ham. Ham. I like the way you think, Landfill. It's ham tonight on Cooking with Jon. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Oh, got the bubble over. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is gonna be fucking full of shit. Okay, well, I'm glad she's a fixing truck for you, but she's not a shit truck. Welcome all, thanks for coming back. Anyway guys, tonight, as I said, we are doing honey glazed ham. Ham. I got my ham here. It called for a boneless ham. My ham apparently is boneless, but whatever, I'm still making the recipe, I really don't care. I got all the stuff out for it, I'm ready to go on it, and I think this recipe could be tasty. Who doesn't like ham? As I said, Anyway guys, if you don't know what we do here, we go online, find ourselves a recipe, go to the store, pick stuff up, make it. Simple as that. Doing it for about 95, 96 days now. Coming along really well. I'm doing a 365-day cooking challenge, and this is, as I said, day 95, 96, something like that. Anyway, guys. I'm also attempting a world record, most consecutive days cooking a different dish off the internet without ever repeating it. We're at day 34 or 35 of that, somewhere in there, and it's going along great, having a lot of fun doing it. So we'll get right to this one, guys. We're going to start with slicing our ham in quarters. Something like this, I think they want, guys. It's just to get the juices throughout, I believe. Ooh, squirt. That sounded lovely. Now we're going to cut it in diamonds. Like that, I think. I don't know if these are too big or not. We'll find out later on, I guess. But I think it's going to be a damn good ham. Who doesn't like a ham? I know I do. There's bone right there. So hopefully that's kind of what we want to do. Cut her in quarters like that. Alright, now we've got it cut in quarters. We'll set that aside. And we're going to make our glaze for the ham, guys. So we're going to start with our honey. About a cup of honey there. Sticky. And half cup brown sugar. Packed brown sugar. And then we've got dry mustard. And some cloves. A tablespoon and a half tablespoon there, guys. And it says to mix that up. Forming a nice sticky paste. Yeah, so we're gonna mix that up. It's getting nice and slick now. Oh, that is a gooey paste. Check that out, guys. Lovely. A few lumps in there, but not bad. They'll smooth down. Alright, so we're gonna grab our ham again. So now we're going to just pour her on and give her a good coating of glaze. Oh, it looks like a sticky mess. Gotta love it. Hopefully it gets all over it. I guess that's my job to make sure it does. So I pulled some of the glaze out of the bottom of the pan there, guys, and got her back up on the ham. I also put the foil in there because I kind of figured I'd never get that pan clean if I didn't. So, just figured it was a good idea. Alright, so now it tells us to dump some water in the bottom of the foil. And we're going to bake that bad boy uncovered for about 2 hours. Alright guys, so this is a double episode actually. What's ham without
scalloped potatoes?
The scalloped potatoes are via GimmeSomeOven.com. That's where we're getting that recipe from. And our ham is actually, we'll mention that, is from Taste of Home, and it's Jim's honey glazed ham, so you know. Anyway guys, so we're going to get on to our scalloped potatoes. It tells us to start by heating some butter in a pan and melting that up. So now our butter's melted, we're going to add our onions. And we're going to cook them for a few minutes until they're soft and translucent. So now we're going to add our garlic and cook for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant. Now we're going to add the flour and combine and cook for about a minute. So now we're going to pour our stock in and combine. We're going to add our milk. lovely. Our salt and pepper. 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1/2 teaspoon of pepper, and finally a teaspoon of fresh thyme. And we're going to let that simmer without boiling it and thicken it for a couple minutes. Now our sauce is thickened, guys. We're going to add a layer of potatoes in the bottom of our pan. So you're just slice potatoes. The color for Yukon Golds, all I have is russets, so well, I'm going with russets. Nice little layer on the bottom of the pan, and then we're going to add a layer of sauce over top. Essentially strains out the onions, but I'm not overly concerned. I like onions. I'm going to put them in the bottom. Beautiful. Now, about a cup of cheddar cheese. And half our Parmesan cheese. And now, another layer of our potatoes. Spread out properly. The remainder of our sauce. Oh, it's going to be a saucy mess. Gotta love it. They're all in there. And then top up with the remainder of our cheese. It says 2 cups it calls for. I think I probably went a little more than 2 cups. In fact, I may put a smidge more on in a minute, but we'll see. But we'll start with that for now. There's a high probability that I may add more cheese. And the rest of our Parmesan on top too. Now we're going to cover it in foil and bake it for about 20 minutes or so. Cover it, and then uncover it for another 20 minutes or so. At 400 degrees. Oh yeah. Alright, welcome back, guys. Our ham is done, and so are our potatoes, and they are looking gorgeous. Gotta love that stuff. That's some beautiful looking ham and potatoes. I hope it tastes half as good as it looks, because if it does, I'm in for a big treat. Anyway, let's see what we think of this glaze. This bad boy. If I can cut her out. Ooh, yeah. Ham. That is gorgeous. That is lovely. Damn. Let's find out potatoes, see what we think of these. Never made scalloped potatoes before, guys, so this is a first for me. Not bad either. Damn. That was one good dinner. I'm looking forward to that. Anyway, guys, come on over, take a look at the date and time. I had someone mention to me it's pretty blurry, so I am going to take a screenshot with that and put it at the end of the video so everyone knows what date and time it is. It is the 6th of April, 7:35 p.m. So let's take a screenshot, and we will put that at the end of the video. Anyway, guys, that's another Cooking with Jon. We will see you tomorrow. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you want to see me cook, throw it in the comments. Odds are, looks like we're going to be doing a ham leftover video tomorrow. But anyway, we'll see you then. Bye for now.